You work hard, you save, you follow the rules, but somehow you're still stuck in the same place year after year. Meanwhile, the wealthy, they don't just work for money, they make money work for them. And here's the secret they never taught you on purpose. The system is designed to keep you trapped in the endless cycle of work, spend, repeat, while the rich multiply their wealth effortlessly. But today we're breaking that cycle. Today you'll uncover the hidden truth about investing, how it works, how the wealthy use it to their advantage, and how you can start today before it's too late. Because if you're not investing and you're already losing, let's dive in. Hey there! Welcome back to Money Mystery, the channel where we expose the financial secrets they don't want you to know. Most people think investing is only for the rich, that you need thousands of dollars, insider knowledge, or a finance degree to get started, but that's a lie. The truth, the more people fear investing, the richer the elites become. They want you to believe investing is complicated, risky, and only for the privileged few. But today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in history. By the end of this video, you'll understand how investing actually works, the mistakes that keep people poor, and how to get started today, even if you're starting from zero. Here's the cold, hard truth. The rich don't get rich by working harder, they get rich by investing smarter. Meanwhile, the average person? They work for money, then let it sit in a savings account, slowly losing value to inflation. And that's exactly what the system wants you to do. Banks, corporations, and governments thrive when you stay trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Because if you never invest, you'll never build wealth. And if you never build wealth, you'll always depend on them. But here's what the wealthy know that you don't. If your money isn't growing, it's dying. The system is rigged, unless you learn how to play the game. They've fed you lie after lie to keep you out of the game. Let's expose them one by one. Lie number one, investing is too risky. They make you fear risk, but the truth is, risk isn't the enemy. The real enemy is not understanding how to manage it. The wealthy don't avoid risk, they control it. Lie number two, you need a lot of money to start. Not anymore. With fractional shares and ETFs, you can start investing with as little as $10. But they don't want you to know that, because if you knew how easy it was, more people would do it. Lie number three, I'll start later. Every year you wait, you lose money to inflation. The cost of waiting is far higher than the cost of starting small today. Now that you know the truth, will you still let these myths hold you back? So, if the rich invest to build wealth, how do you get started? Here's what you need to know. Stocks. You're buying a piece of a company. When it grows, so does your money. But remember, stocks can be volatile in the short term. That's why the wealthy focus on long-term growth, not quick wins. Bonds. You're lending money to a company or government in exchange for interest. Bonds are safer than stocks but offer lower returns. They're great for balancing risk in your portfolio. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are baskets of investments that spread out your risk. ETFs in particular are beginner-friendly because they're low cost and track entire markets, like the S&P 500. But here's the kicker, you don't need to be an expert to diversify. With ETFs, you can own hundreds of companies with just one investment. It's like having a safety net while you learn the ropes. Most people lose money because they think investing is about getting rich fast. Spoiler alert, it's not. Here's the truth. Short-term investing is gambling. Long-term investing is strategy. Short-term investing. This is where people try to time the market, buying low and selling high in a matter of days, weeks, or months. But here's the problem. No one can predict the market consistently. Even the pros get it wrong. Short-term trading often leads to emotional decisions like panic selling during a dip. Long-term investing. This is where the wealthy win. They buy quality assets like stocks, ETFs, or real estate, and hold on to them for years, even decades. Why? Because over time, the market tends to grow. The rich understand that patience pays off. They don't panic when the market dips. They see it as an opportunity to buy more at a discount. Meanwhile, the poor sell out of fear and miss out on the eventual rebound. So, the question is, will you play the game right, or will you be another victim of the system? Now that you know the truth, here are some tips on how to start investing the right way. 1. Pick a platform. Use beginner-friendly apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. These platforms make it easy to buy stocks, ETFs, and other investments with low fees. Do your research and choose one that fits your goals. 2. Start with ETFs. ETFs are perfect for beginners because they're low-risk, diversified, and often have low fees. Look for ETFs that track major indexes like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. They give you exposure to hundreds of companies without needing to pick individual stocks. 3. Invest consistently. Even $50 a month can grow into a fortune over time thanks to compound interest. Set up automatic investments so you're consistently putting money into the market, no matter what. This strategy, called dollar cost averaging, helps you avoid the temptation to time the market. 4. Avoid common traps. Don't chase hot tips or try to get rich quick. Stick to your strategy, ignore the noise, and focus on long-term growth. And remember, fees matter. High fees can eat into your returns over time, so keep them as low as possible. 5. Follow money mystery. The biggest mistake? Thinking you've learned enough. The wealthy never stop learning, and neither should you. Every investment move the elites make is calculated, strategic, and backed by knowledge they don't want you to have. That's why we're here. Uncovering the secrets, exposing the traps, and giving you the tools to build wealth the smart way. Subscribe to Money Mystery to keep unlocking the hidden rules of investing, the strategies the rich use, and the financial secrets they don't teach in school. Now that you know the truth, the choice is yours. Keep working for money or start making money work for you. The system is rigged unless you learn how to play it, and now you have the knowledge. Investing isn't about luck, it's about strategy, and now you have the tools to start. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What's stopping you from investing right now? Fear of losing money? Not knowing where to start? Let us know in the comments. The more we spread this knowledge, the less power they have over us. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and keep unraveling the mysteries of money.